So I've been a forensic scientist for over 30 years. I started painting. I'm self-taught, and I guess because I like to explore, I, aligned myself with some artists like Onika Small and Neville Legal. Those were my mentors. And then the CAFA Fair, the Caribbean Fine Arts Fair, Anderson Pilgrim was very instrumental in getting me to where I am. I have just launched my Independence Citois Wearable Art Independence Collection, which is over here. Those are some of the pieces. They're fabric and wire wrapped jewelry. So every piece is going to be very different because obviously there's no way you can duplicate how the material sits every single time.